Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Victoria's Secret inspired outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to save the skin color first. Okay, I already saved it. That's good. And then I'm going to get the Sabrina Carpenter outfit, select the second toggle, and then turn it off. And I'm going to color it white with the matte setting on. And then I'm going to use this dress here, and then I'll do top only, and then I'll color the first one her skin tone, and then the second one the top color. I'm also going to be adding this, but this is just like a preference on how you're going to edit the swimsuit. Then I'm going to add, where is it, this top as well, and I'm going to color it my skin tone, well, this person's skin tone. And then I'm going to also add this kind of cute lace top on as well as these two. I might add this on, I don't know, actually I might just delete that. And then I'm going to add in this bow too. You don't have to again, but this is just me adding some stuff so it covers up most of the items here. Then for the shoes, I am going to use these ones. And then I'm going to find a necklace here. Kind of want to use this one for the lacy vibe. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, I'll just add on these wings for the, whoa, Victoria's Secret look. And that is it. That's how you can create a Victoria's Secret angel look on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I think I might leave these on like that, maybe, to give it more of a VS look actually. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.